group claims malware targets Number 10 network. Security researchers in Canada believe that malware has been installed on Downing Street and the Foreign Office's computer systems. Officials at the Downing Street incident were alerted by Citizen Lab, which alleges it warned him that suspected Pegasus malware was identified in 2020 and 2021. NSO Group sells Pegasus to governments for the purpose of conducting surveillance by infecting mobile devices with malicious software. In response to the charges, the Israeli-based firm has refuted them, claiming that they are untrue and could not have occurred. Citizens Lab, which monitors electronic monitoring, reported to the UK government in 2020 and 2021 that it feared Pegasus malware had penetrated networks at 10 Downing Street and at the Foreign and Commonwealth Office. Pegasus lets the government take over people's phones, get their data, and spy on them. Since its inception, NSO Group has maintained that it is only offered to governments that need it to carry out their legitimate counter-terrorism and law enforcement missions. Charges made by the New Yorker magazine, which investigated the targeting of Catalan independence campaigners, are related to the new claims. A total of 65 people have been identified as being targeted or infected, according to the Citizen Lab, including MEPs, presidents, lawmakers, and jurists in Catalonia as well as representatives of civil society groups. New Yorker reported that a number of government phones in the UK, including that of the Prime Minister, were checked, but it was not feasible to determine whose phone was infected or what data was obtained. As reported by the Citizen Lab, the alleged Foreign Office infections may be related to Pegasus pilots in the UAE, India, Cyprus, and Jordan. It suggested that they may have been linked to employees who were working abroad and using foreign SIM cards, as was the case with the hacked US diplomats in Uganda. According to NSO Group, phone numbers in the United States cannot be blacklisted. According to the Citizen Lab, the Downing Street illness may be related to the UAE. Between 2017 and 2019, a leaked list of NSO Group phone numbers included about 400 UK lines, with the UAE claiming the most. Pegasus was apparently used by Dubai's ruler to hack his ex-phone wife's among other things, which he disputed, according to reports from NSO Group.